myself Chirag Joshi. Dear students, today we are going to discuss how to write chemical equation when they are given in the word format. Have a look. This is in-text question. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Dear students, this is the question. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives what? Hydrogen chloride. Now, you are knowing that how we are writing hydrogen. Hydrogen we are writing as H2 plus we are writing chlorine means Cl2 gives what, dear students? HCl, but twice HCl means 2HCl. It is clear in your mind, dear students, how to write the word equation in the form of chemical equation. Second one is sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Sodium means Na plus water H2O gives sodium hydroxide NaOH plus hydrogen. Have a look, it is balanced. This is reactants and this is product. Okay, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2. How many hydrogen atoms on the right side? 3. Means this equation is not balanced. You have to balance this chemical equation. आपको इसको balance करना है. तो हम start कहाँ से करेंगे? ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 है, सॉरी 3 है, यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 2. तो मैं एक तो बढ़ा नहीं सकता, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2. लेट्स सी, Na plus 2H2O gives NaOH plus H2. चलो मैंने यहाँ पे 2 बढ़ा दिए, means now 4 hydrogen and here it is 3 hydrogen, still in balance. यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन है, यहाँ पे एक ही ऑक्सीजन है. चलो पहले ऑक्सीजन को सॉल्व कर देते हैं. चलो 2 ऑक्सीजन हो गए, 2 कितने हो गए? हाइड्रोजन. चलो 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड यहाँ पे 2, टोटल 4. 4 का कम हो गया, यहाँ पे 4 हाइड्रोजन थे, सॉल्व. अभी देखो 2 ऑक्सीजन का भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते करते Na का क्वेश्चन बढ़ा दिया. Na अब कितने हो गए? 2 और यहाँ पे Na कितने हैं? 1. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to multiply 2 with Na, means 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. And out, dear students? No. I hope you are able to understand this word equation, how to convert this word equation in this format. Dear students, now we are going to move ahead in the topic of types of chemical reactions. How many types of chemical reactions are there? Your answer should be 4. Which are they? First one, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and the last one, that is double displacement reaction. Okay, so let us start with combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Okay, dear students, the first topic, that is combination reaction. Means when two reactants combines together to form a single product. Let me repeat it again. Two reactants combines together to form a single reactants. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर आप देखें तो दो रिएक्टेंस जो है, एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं CaO, CaO reacts with water, H2O. Please see here, CaO, calcium oxide, reacts with water. What it gives us? It gives us CaOH twice. It gives us what? CaOH twice. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन है और ऑक्सीजन भी कितने हैं? दो ऑक्सीजन, दो हाइड्रोजन, एक कैल्शियम. Dear students, this type of reaction is known as combination reaction. आपको बस यही याद रखना है कि दो रिएक्टेंट्स मिल जाते हैं और हमें क्या देते हैं? सिंगल प्रोडक्ट्स. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ दो ही, तीन भी मिल सकते हैं. ठीक है. इन शॉर्ट आपको यही याद रखना है कि many reactants means more than two reactants reacts together to form a single product. It is clear in your mind? This was calcium oxide plus water gives us what? CaOH twice. This is SAT line. Any doubt, dear students? No? Okay. Now let's go for the second one, that is decomposition reaction. Dear students, decomposition reaction में क्या होगा? तो कि हमारे पास कोई एक चीज है ऑलरेडी, मीन्स we are having a single reactant. Reactants will break into numbers of part. Reactants will break in the numbers of part, and it means they will give us many products. Okay, a simple thing is reactants will break down. Is as a result you will get many products. Okay, let's see. Now second topic is decomposition reaction. Okay, it is decomposition reaction. As you know, dear students, limestone CaCO3, limestone, as you will heat it will gives us CaO plus CO2. This will be in the form of gas, carbon dioxide. Dear students, CaCO3 limestone, that is calcium oxide, means say loudly, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. It is clear, dear students? One more we will take, that is 2AgCl, that is silver chloride. Silver chloride in the presence of sunlight, it will give you 2Ag plus Cl2. Okay, this is white silver chloride turns gray in the presence of sunlight. It is clear, dear students? One more we will discuss, that is of silver bromide, 2AgBr, in the presence of sunlight, it is 2Ag plus Br2. Dear students, this is silver bromide used in the development of photography, that was white and black color. Okay, dear students, this question was asked, which solution or which liquid is used to develop black and white photograph? Your answer should be silver chloride. I hope, dear students, you are able to understand decomposition reaction with these three examples: limestone, silver chloride, silver bromide. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this topic. Now the third topic, that is displacement reaction. We will discuss it. Okay, Okay friends, now we are on the third topic, that is displacement reaction. Dear students, in displacement reaction what's happen? That a strong reactive element will display or remove less reactive element. Means what? See here. Suppose Fe, iron, solid, plus CuSO4, aqueous solution, reacts. अभी आप यहाँ पे देखिए, ये आयन है और ये कॉपर का सॉल्यूशन है, कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन। अभी आपको भी पता है कि आयन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, आयन कॉपर से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है। मींस क्या होगा, आयन जो है वो कॉपर की जगह ले लेगा। मींस रिएक्ट प्रोडक्ट में हमें मिलेगा FeSO4। क्या मिलेगा हमें? FeSO4 प्लस Cu, हमें मिलेगा FeSO4 plus Cu. Are you able to understand? Let's take one more example, that is of zinc. Zn, zinc plus copper sulfate gives what? You are also knowing, dear students, zinc is more reactive than copper. तो कॉपर की जगह कौन ले लेगा? जिंक। तो ये बन गया ZnSO4 plus C is double displacement reaction. Let us understand this reaction with an example. Na2SO4 aqueous solution plus BaCl2, this is aqueous solution. See dear students, what happened here? Na, this is positive, you are knowing Cl is negative, so Na positive will combine with Cl negative, means NaCl, 2Cl and 2Na, means it is 2NaCl. You are knowing SO4 minus 2 and this is Ba plus 2, means they both will react. In short, answer is BaSO4. This is solid BaSO4. Okay dear students, now see what happened. Na, you are knowing it is plus and Cl it is minus, but Na2 means what? It is plus 2. Cl is minus, but Cl2 means what? It is minus 2. Means they both have reacted and they have formed NaCl. Okay. Now see here. You are knowing, you have learned this thing in the 8th, 9th standard, that SO4 minus 2. Okay. And this is Ba plus 2. So they will combine and they will make BaSO4. I hope, dear students, you are able to understand this 4 type of chemical reaction. First one was combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, and fourth one is double displacement reaction. Dear students, if you are having any doubt, please send me a message in the comment box. Thank you, dear students. Thanks for watching this video.